Welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, it's going to be somewhat of a different kind of project than I normally do. I promised my sister that I would make her like a going off to college box back in August. It's January. I am determined to get it done. Even though it's late, it's gonna get done. And she loves me and she says she's forgiven me, but you know, I need to get it done. This project is a moon phases wall art project. I have seen this all over Pinterest. I think that they originated from anthropology. Don't quote me on that. I don't know exactly. Found it on Pinterest. But I wanted to do it just a little bit different than I had seen. The ones that I have seen are just like a straight line of the moon phases, or they go horizontally as well. But without further ado, let me show you how I made this boho chic moon phases wall art. So starting out, I used this air dry clay that I got from Walmart and wax paper. So I just used 2 pieces of wax paper and a rolling pin on top to roll out the clay. Now you want to make sure that you use wax paper or something like it and not brown paper because it will tear up like this. So to smooth out the hard edges, I just use my finger and a dry paintbrush. Once I had all of the pieces cut out, I went ahead and did one final pass with the water just to smooth out any rough edges that were left over. Then I let them dry for about 2 to 3 days. Now for the top ring, I had this leftover lampshade that I was not using, and I used the metal round piece from the bottom of that. For the string, I just used plain jute twine. I got this from Lowe's. And I just cut them at varying lengths to get that taper. I don't have any exact measurements, I just did this all by eye. I'm just adjusting the widths before I glue it down with hot glue. Now I wanted to add just a little bit of bling to the center moon, so I ended up doing a divot before it dried completely, and I added other little Swarovski crystals. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it inspires you to make boho chicness of your own. I'll include the template that I made to cut out the moon phases shapes. I'll include that in a link down below. You can just download it and print it out yourself. As always, I hope you guys all have amazing weeks, and I'll see you again on Wednesday for another video. Bye guys!